Hey guys, quick video for you today, and I apologize in advance for the quality. I actually am holding, first of all, I'm recording this on my phone and I'm using a selfie stick, so I apologize. I'm trying to take advantage of a little bit of sunlight that I have left in the day, but I just wanted to do a quick product spotlight. First of all, thank you so much to Jon Renau for sponsoring this video. I am a Jon Renau Education Ambassador, which means that they provide me with the tools and education needed for me to educate you guys on how to wear, how to care for, and how to love your alternative hair. So, quick thing before I start, the hair that I am wearing is Miranda by Jon Renau, synthetic hair in a 1426 S10. This is the product. It is called Pure Repair Restoring Balm. Now, this is not for synthetic hair, this is for human hair only. And I just want to go over some quick tips and highlights for this product because it is new. I think a lot of people just don't quite know how to use it. Jon Renau already has conditioning products as part of their product line, so this is actually a little bit different. This is a repair product. What's the difference between a repair product and a deep conditioning product? Well, the first step, let's say that your piece is starting to get a little frayed, maybe the deep conditionings just aren't really doing much for you anymore, and you start to notice that maybe the ends are looking a little fried. This one is Carrie, and she's been my daily driver now for, I would say, a few months, and I have deep conditioned her a few times, but she is at that stage where she definitely needs some restoration. I've got my notes here, so apologize if I'm looking away, but I just want to make sure I hit all the points. The purpose of deep conditioning is to increase the moisture in the hair itself. The purpose of repairing and restoring is to actually add protein in to the hair itself. It's rebuilding those damaged pieces of keratin in the hair shaft. The first step, like I said, will be deep conditioning. You don't jump from, let's say you just bought a new human hair piece, wig or topper, and you're starting to kind of notice that it needs a little extra love. You're not going to jump straight into the restoration. You're going to jump to the deep conditioning first. As a general rule, sorry, I actually just came from the gym, if you can believe it. I know, my makeup looks amazing for having worked out. But anyway, so my arms are a little shaky. As a general rule, wash your piece, your human hair piece, every 6 to 8 wears, and deep condition every, I would say, 3 to 5 washes. From there, for the deep conditioning, I'm going to show you what products you need for that. One second. Okay, so I went and got my products. In terms of your washes, every 6 to 8 wears, I recommend the Jon Renau Argan Smooth Luxury Shampoo, and then you'll condition with the Argan Smooth Luxury Conditioner for human hair. You will finish off with the Argan Smooth Treatment Mist. Now, you can use the Argan Smooth Luxury Conditioner and the Treatment Mist to deep condition. You'll just leave it on for longer than usual. I do have a video about that, and I will put a link to it in the description. Use it every 3 to 5 washes as needed, but there is a big caveat to this. Since this adds protein to the hair, you do not want to use it too much, because reproteinizing it then it's going to end up brittle, and you don't want to do that. Use sparingly. And the way it works is you'll wash your piece like normal and you'll shampoo, but instead of conditioning, what you'll do is apply the balm from the mid-length of the hair shaft to the end. The reason why is because you have a wig that has a very delicate base material. And then you also have return knots, which is where the hair has been looped through the cap and the piece that sticks out of the other end is called a return. So don't get this stuff on the returns, on the cap, or on the roots of the wig. You want to stick to mid-length down to the ends and really focus on those ends. Now, in terms of how to apply this stuff and how long to leave it on, so once you apply the balm, I recommend you put some in your hand, kind of like rub your hands together, and then apply it to your piece. Cover your piece with a shower cap or a grocery bag. Hit it with a blow dryer set on low for about 5 to 20 minutes. I have a hack for this, and I posted this on my Instagram the other day. If you have, and please be very careful with this, I don't want anybody to damage their pieces or burn their house down. If you have an itty bitty space heater, put this like a few feet away on the wig stand and let it sit in front of the space heater for those 20 minutes on low, okay? That's my personal hack. Please use common sense and be careful. But the whole purpose of covering it and putting the heat on it for 5 to 20 minutes is so that the cuticle of the hair will open up and it will help to absorb the product. Once you're done with that, rinse your piece thoroughly under cool running water, and then you'll style as usual. And that's it, guys. So I will be restoring this one. She needs a lot of love. You can pretty much see that she definitely needs a little love, but I wanted to post this video quickly, give you a recap, talk about the product, and also let you know that Jon Renau has changed their packaging. So in case you notice things look a little different, they're going to a black packaging with white writing. So just a heads up on that. And they have their new spring collection coming out May 1st, I believe. So they have new styles for the season, and I'm really excited to try them. I will be posting one, just kind of doing like a quick little review, and I'm really excited. So if you have any questions, leave them below in the comments and I'll try to respond ASAP. But thank you for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Proteinizing it? I don't like that word.